Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Black propaganda versus sabotage. Today we're talking about two villains of workplace and internet world. But don't worry, we're not learning how to do them. We're learning how to spot them and avoid the drama. Black propaganda equals fake storytelling. Someone spreads fake into pretending it came from someone else. Sabotage equals real damage. Someone directly damages work, tools, or progress. Mind games versus action games. Black propaganda works in the mind. Confusion, rumor, sabotage works in action. Breaking, blocking, delaying. Like one is a gossip podcast, the other is unplugging the podcast mid-show. Invincible versus visible damage. Black propaganda is often hard to trace. Sabotage usually shows clear damage. Reputation target versus system target. Black propaganda attacks reputation. Sabotage attacks system, work, or resources. One tries to ruin your name. The other tries to ruin your laptop. 5. Words versus physical, technical interference. Black propaganda, words, fake news, rumors, sabotage, interference with tools, workflow, or process. One is, I heard that. The other is, why is the Wi-Fi cable missing? 6. Confusion strategy versus disruption strategy. Black propaganda, confuse people, sabotage, stop things from working. One creates chaos in minds, the other creates chaos in deadlines. 7. Often secret, sometimes obvious. Black propaganda is usually hidden, indirect. Sabotage can sometimes be discovered quietly due to impact. One is a whisper in the shadows, the other trips over office chair loudly. 8. Social spread versus operational impact. Black propaganda spreads socially. Chats, media, rumors. Sabotage impacts operations, work, task, system. 9. Intent influence versus interfere. Black propaganda influence opinions. Sabotage interfere with results. One says, think this way. The other says, you won't finish that report today. Then, both harmful, both avoidable. Black propaganda and sabotage both create negativity, mistrust, and conflict. The best defense, awareness, communication, and fact-checking. So remember, words can mislead, actions can disrupt. Awareness keeps you safe from both.